you want to fix your hair or something? Hi guys!
Hello!
Welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
And if you're new here, welcome. I make YouTube videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. We have a special guest today.
I think you should insert like the clap.
So if you go back to my first ever video that I posted, it was with her. It was a vlog. We were going to New York. This is my best friend, her. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is ESHA. I think most of you might have seen me in her TikTok videos or Instagram.
Or like, it's basically in my entire life. You would have probably, if you know me before YouTube, then you've probably seen her with me everywhere.
I'm not sure if you can see, but we have like a lot of stuff here.
So this is basically like a huge fashion, beauty, PR haul unboxing, and I could not do it alone for the life of me. I have been basically ignoring it for the past 3 days. So I had to bring her in to help me out, and I felt like it could be fun. I am very, 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 very grateful for all the companies and all the people who reach out to me and send me their products or send me things to try out. It means the world to me. It is the sweetest thing ever. So she's gonna be opening some of the packages, and some of the packages I'm gonna be opening.
Okay.
But yeah, let's get started. I think we're gonna do clothes first because I was too excited not to open them. So most of these packages, by the way, I have not opened by myself. I haven't seen what's inside them. She's just been telling me, oh, you got a package from this company, but I don't know what it is. Clothing first. So this brand called Silk and Salt, and they sent me a few of their clothing pieces. The first thing that they sent me was this really cute coat. It's like a long beige coat, and I am absolutely in love. The quality is amazing. This is the brand in case like you guys want to check them out. It's Silk and Salt. Honestly, the quality is so good. Like, this is really heavy. Next is this. I already wore this. That's why I had to open this package, because I was so excited about this top. The top, I already wore it. I am
So good.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this set. It comes with a really long cardigan, and then it comes with the matching pants, and then it comes with the matching top. So cute. I'm literally so excited to style these. You're probably gonna see them on my TikTok or somewhere, or probably on ESHA. Oh, they also sent me this. They sent me this really cool leather jacket. Oh my god, I am obsessed. It is so cute. So I ordered this dress. So this is the brand, Saie, and I ordered this by myself. It's basically this really cute dress. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm seeing this. This is really cute.
Oh wow,
This is really cute. So I thought in my head I'm gonna wear this with some stockings and like long boots and maybe like a black or a beige or white coat over it. Literally so cute. The second thing is basically this really cute sweater style skirt, and it has buttons over here, and then I'm sorry, did I hit you? And then there's this matching top. Really cute again, and I'm really excited to style these. The next thing is basically from H&M. I placed an order about a few days ago. Oh my god, yeah. So this was basically a workout top, because I'm gonna start going to the gym and start working out, because she has been inspiring me to go to the gym. So I ordered this really cute workout top from H&M. Okay, so this is also from H&M. It's basically like a really nice, cute, modest dress. Again, it's a size medium. It's also from H&M. If you guys want, if I find it, I'm gonna link it down below. But I really liked how modest and long it was. We're gonna go through this fast because we have so many packages to go through. So
I hope we don't show your address.
Oh, so this is a package from Camel Glow. It's basically a hair oil hair care company. They were kind enough to send me some of their products, and the packaging is so cute. This is the conditioner.
Do you want to smell it?
It smells
like rosemary.
So cute. I am absolutely obsessed with this packaging.
I think we need to take a moment to appreciate this.
Is this a hair oil?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to try their hair oil. Literally, guys, look at this packaging. This is literally so cute. So this is basically everything. I absolutely love this packaging. Super grateful. Thank you so much, Camel Glow. Everything you see in this video, you best believe this girl is gonna try it out too. So you're gonna have the opinion and reviews of basically 2 people. With 2 people need to approve everything.
Comment down below if you want a detailed review of things. Honestly, we're so down to give it.
Yeah, whatever you want to see in detail about, or any looks, we're gonna do that. Beauty.
I love